Now I'm going to answer part B. Propose 3 reasons why residential real estate investment trusts are not popular with investors. 3 reasons why residential real estate investment trusts are not popular with investors. 6 marks. Reasons why residential REITs are not popular. Is it true? Yes, that is true. Residential real estate investment trusts are not popular with investors. That we can test whether it's true or not by checking. Have you invested in REITs? Have I done that? If we have not invested in REITs, as the one people you know, have they invested in REITs? If they have not, then that could be true, that residential real estate investment trusts are not popular with investors. We have many people investing in other areas, but not REITs. What is the reason? So first we are going to define a REIT. What is a REIT? A real estate investment trust. A real estate investment trust is a company that owns or typically operates income producing real estate or real estate related assets. So it's a company that either owns or operates income producing real estate or real estate related assets. And one reason why real estates are not popular is because of the REITs regulation, which requires REIT managers to enter into a 5+ year leases, unlike most residential leases whose term is just 1 year. So the REITs regulation, the first reason is REITs regulation. Now the REITs regulation, I've said, requires REIT managers to enter a 5+ year leases. Unfortunately, this is impossible for residential leases to meet. And in fact, most residential leases have a 1 year lease. And that's why residential REITs are not popular to investors. The second reason why residential REITs are not popular with investors is because of the fact that the large pools of rental properties that can be acquired by REITs are lacking. Large pools of residential properties acquired by REITs are lacking. Okay? And developers simply do not deliver housing at scale. And that is due to well-documented issues of affordability, availability of long and cost of financing for development and mortgages. Number 3, and this is an obvious reason, is that alternative instruments such as bonds, treasury bills provide a higher return than rental yields. Alternative investments provide higher returns. Alternative investments such as the treasury bills, the bonds, they provide a higher return than the rental yields. So these are three among many reasons we can cite. These are not the only reasons. We can cite the cost of publicly traded corporate structure. We can cite the price of REITs is determined by the stock market, and if the price of REITs is determined by the stock market, then that could be a reason why the residential REITs are not popular. Because while the appraisal base value of a REIT may be relatively stable, the market determined price of a REIT share is likely to be more volatile. And if it's more volatile, that means it's more risky. And it's more risky, then investors will not be attracted to an investment that is not secure. So these are three reasons why residential REITs are not popular with investors.